Now, the purpose for me to come here is to show something. Negligence on the part of authorities, since there is a discharge that you can very clearly see which is black in color, very smelly, you cannot bear the smell. Now, there was a site inspection that was carried out 3 times along with the IDC, Pollution Control Board, and Nagoa Village Panchayat. Letters were written to the higher authorities in IDC, Penjim, regarding this discharge. But till today, no action has been taken. I am also an environmentalist who is concerned about the groundwater. I am in the biodiversity committee also. Now, this discharge goes right down. This is the source of River Sal, which is the Paton spring. One of the sources of River Sal originates in Nagoa below IDC. And this water, which is continuously flowing, at this point of time the flow is a little less, but during the night this flow is very heavy. This goes from the Paton spring right up to Kavelosi and the paddy fields which our villagers are cultivating in Nagoa and Verna. I was told that people who were working in the paddy fields had reaction on their legs, itching sensation, and this is definitely a health hazard, and the same rice that is being produced in these paddy fields we are consuming as human beings. So this is a calling attention to this government, to these authorities, IDC, Pollution Control Board, and whoever is responsible for this to immediately stop this.